Today I want to show you this.
So, what's so special about this box? The answer is there is a magnetic. But the difference is there is a can with a magnet and each connection. So you can try to open it in any state and direction. And also close it from different direction. Secondly, it is also made of solid materials. Listen. It is sturdy, so you don't have to worry about its weight capacity. Alright. White color, easy to print, you can stir your own logo and everything you want to design. Just contact us.
That's all for these issues. I hope you like this product. But don't forget, contact us.